What's up, guys? Today I'll be talking about my 2001 Chevy Camaro. Barely bought it 3 or 4 days ago from some woman, and I paid $700 for it. Should have got it cheaper, but the body looked nice outside, had nice rims, so I figured the inside would look nice too. But when I got the car and I looked inside, I was like, oh my gosh. The rats did a number on it. She had it sitting in the field, and all the field rats got into the car and they ate the seats, interior, some of the wires, and let me show y'all what they done to it. This is what they done. So I had to gut out the whole car. I had to throw the seat belts away because they're all chewed up. Door panels throw away. Dashboard had to be thrown away. Steering wheel, I probably throw that away too. Put a new one on. So all the wires are savable. But yeah. But the car outside, it's real nice. Got nice rims, has T-tops. I have the back trunk open because I was letting the car air out for the smell. Tail lights are gone, had to throw those away. The echo tips are pretty good, they're still usable. Get into the inside of the car, you could tell how nasty this was. So I don't know if I should replace the doors. The whole dash is gone. The wires is just hanging. It's gonna be a project, alright. It's got a hole in the ground. I think I could replace that. It's just the back of the seat. But yeah, you can see where they were chewing on the plastic there. Still got a smell in here that won't go away. Y'all can let me know what I could use to get the smell out of here. I tried using Clorox, but it seems like it isn't working. The shifter's kind of rusted. I have to take that off and redo those. But the back of where the seat goes is pretty good. The front's pretty good. It's got a little rust there. The only bad spot is right here on the back of the seat. But I'll see if I could try to fix it. It's just a project car to fix up for me and my kids. I try to get them to do stuff like this, but all they want to do is play Fortnite. So, but the motor, it's a V6. I was trying to take all the wires out, trying to figure out how to take all this old nasty wires away from there so I could pull the motor out. I don't know if I should pull the motor out from the front or the bottom. Y'all let me know what's best. It's my first time doing this, my first project car, and it's my first time being on YouTube, so hope I do a good job. The front bumper is pretty good. I love those kind of bumpers. The headlights are pretty good, but I'll probably end up buying new ones. So overall, this whole car is probably going to need everything new on it. But let me know how I did on this video. And please like and subscribe. And leave on the comments what I should do. Is go with the LS or LT1. But yeah, maybe about in a week I'll make a new video of this on the progress of the car. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks.